Hi, my name is Dennis Pellicotte. I've lived in El Paso for about 45 years. I am married, happily, for 29 years. I have two wonderful children. I've got a few personal hobbies. One of my favorites is spending time in the desert with my sandrail. I've got a few friends that we like to go out on the weekends and play. I love to spend time doing yard work, hiking, traveling. You know, I chose Lariat because I feel like it's a great company. I did 35 years in my own business in a different industry and looking for a change in life, and I felt like Lariat Builders was the place that would fit right for me. You know, I think three things, if I sit back and think about it. I know number one is spending time with Carlo. You know, Carlo runs such a great business. He's a great teacher, a great leader. He has helped me tremendously in learning how to be a better business person. The employees are something else. They are all such a tight fit group, almost like family. And I think the last thing is the meeting with the clients. It's nice to get in and to meet somebody in a time where they're in distress and to be able to walk them through the repairs and see the journey and see the end, how the outcome is, and to put people back in their homes or their businesses and to see the smile on their face when it's over. You know, I think the biggest impact I can provide is to just do what I say. I know at Lariat, our big thing is if we tell you it's going to happen, we want it to happen. I know when I have something taken care of and somebody tells me, I expect them to do what they say, and that is my biggest thing, is to definitely strive to make the things that I say, make them happen. You know, there's many businesses in town that probably do the same job that Lariat can do. It is just the fact of our background, our trust, our belief, to show the people that we are here for them, that at the end of the day, Lariat is family, and we would like for them to be part of our family.